Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, have revolutionized modern warfare. In this blog, we will delve into the details of 10 most advanced military drones currently in service worldwide. The Bayraktar TB2, manufactured in Turkey, kicks off our list. This multi-purpose drone boasts impressive autonomy and is widely used for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. With a length of 6.5 meters and a wingspan of 12 meters, the TB2 has a maximum takeoff weight of 700 kilograms and a load capacity of 150 kilograms. Powered by a 100 horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of up to 220 kilometers per hour. Additionally, it can fly at an altitude of 8,000 meters and has a remarkable endurance of 27 hours. The TB2 has been serving in the armed forces and police of Turkey since 2014, along with other countries like Qatar and Ukraine. M25 Stingray. Next on our list is the M25 Stingray, an aerial refueling drone manufactured in the United States. Designed to operate from aircraft carriers, this drone will soon enter the service in the United States Navy. Its primary purpose is to refuel aircrafts such as the F-35, thereby extending their range during various missions like surveillance and reconnaissance. With a length of 5.5 meters and a wingspan of 23 meters, the M25 Stingray utilizes a jet engine, enabling it to achieve speeds of up to 620 kilometers per hour. It can carry an impressive 7.2 tons of fuel and refuel more than 4 aircraft per flight within a range of 925 kilometers. XQ-58 Valkyrie. Manufactured in the United States, the XQ-58 Valkyrie is a long-range stealth drone designed to provide unmanned escort services to different military aircraft. It measures 8.8 meters in length and 6.7 meters in wingspan. In addition to surveillance and reconnaissance missions, the Valkyrie can deploy smaller drones like the Altius 600, enhancing its operational capabilities with a maximum takeoff weight of 2.7 tons and a load capacity of 540 kilograms. It reaches an impressive speed of 1,050 kilometers per hour. Furthermore, the Valkyrie can fly at an altitude of 13,700 meters and has an extensive range of 3,900 kilometers. Australia's contribution to the list is the Loyal Wingman, a new stealth and multi-purpose drone. This intelligent team player is designed to fly in groups, working alongside manned aircraft to complete air missions. It can also perform autonomous missions independently, thanks to its advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. The Loyal Wingman's performance is comparable to that of a fighter aircraft and can fly alongside different types of aircraft. Measuring 11.7 meters in length and 7.3 meters in wingspan, this drone boasts a range of 3,700 kilometers, ensuring effective support to manned aircraft like the F-35 of the Royal Australian Air Force. Aksungur. Turkey's high-performance drone, the Aksungur, stands out with its autonomous capabilities and versatility. Primarily used for surveillance and maritime patrol missions, this drone measures 11.6 meters in length and 24 meters in wingspan. With a maximum takeoff weight of 3.3 tons and a load capacity of 750 kilograms, the Aksungur is powered by 2 turbo diesel engines with a combined horsepower of 340. It can achieve speeds of over 250 kilometers per hour and fly at an altitude of 12,200 meters. With an impressive range of 6,500 kilometers or 60 hours of endurance, the Aksungur ensures effective surveillance and patrol operations for Turkey's armed forces. Bayraktar Akinci. Another remarkable drone from Turkey is the Bayraktar Akinci. This high-performance strategic drone boasts autonomous flight capabilities and advanced artificial intelligence systems. With a length of 12.2 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters, the Akinci has a maximum takeoff weight of 5.5 tons and a payload capacity of 1.5 tons. It is equipped with 2 turboprop engines generating a total of 1,500 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour. Akinci can fly at an altitude of 12,000 meters and has a range of 24 hours. It entered service with the Turkish Armed Forces in 2021, marking a significant advancement in Turkey's military drone capabilities. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper, manufactured in the United States, is a versatile multi-purpose drone designed for long-duration and high-altitude missions. With a length of 11 meters and wingspan of 20 meters, this drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 4.7 tons and a payload capacity of 1.7 tons. Powered by a 900 horsepower engine, it can achieve speeds higher than 450 kilometers per hour. The Reaper can fly at an altitude of 15,000 meters and has an endurance of 27 hours. It is currently in service with the United States Air Force, Italian Air Force, and Spanish Air Force, among others. Predator Sea Avenger. The Predator Sea Avenger, manufactured in the United States, is a fast and highly accurate drone designed to excel in harsh environments. With a length of 13 meters and a wingspan of 20 meters, this drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 18.2 tons and a load capacity of 4.5 tons. Its jet engine allows it to reach impressive speeds of 740 kilometers per hour. The Avenger can fly at an altitude of 15,000 meters and has an endurance of 20 hours. It is currently serving the United States Air Force, providing valuable intelligence and reconnaissance capabilities. X-47B. The X-47B, a high-performance drone manufactured in the United States, is specifically designed to operate from aircraft carriers, measuring 11.6 meters in length and 19 meters in wingspan. This drone has a maximum takeoff weight of 20.2 tons and a payload capacity of 2 tons. Powered by a jet engine, it can achieve speeds of more than 1,100 kilometers per hour. The X-47B can fly at an altitude of 12,800 meters and has a range of 3,900 kilometers. Its innovative design and capabilities have paved the way for the development of other advanced drones currently in progress. RQ-4 Global Hawk. Last, but certainly not least, we have the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a reconnaissance drone manufactured in the United States. With a length of 14.5 meters and an impressive wingspan of 40 meters, the Global Hawk has a maximum takeoff weight of 11.6 tons and a load capacity of 1.3 tons. Powered by a jet engine, it can reach speeds of up to 630 kilometers per hour. It is capable of flying at an altitude of 18,000 meters and has an incredible range of 22,000 kilometers, or 42 hours of continuous flight. The RQ-4 Global Hawk plays a vital role in providing high-resolution images of large geographic areas, making it a valuable asset for the United States Air Force and the Japan Self-Defense Force. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video on the most advanced military drones, leave a comment and activate notifications for more exciting content. Stay tuned for future videos.